I saw this particular post on one blogger's page. As you can show here, this is the caption. Look at thousands of people. I don't know, so many people here in Nigeria are all jobless. Okay, so lady left in shock after attending a job interview at Club Moscow with a 2 Abuja right here in Nigeria, and seeing thousands of applicants turn up for the same position. So this is a video right here.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
My friend called me and told me about an interview happening in Uzi. Like, I didn't even expect to come and see the crowd today. Like, look at people. Jesus, I don't even know that people are jobless in this country. Look at people, guys. I met some of my former colleagues in this place. Jesus, I could not even pass in. We have to even write our names, thinking that it's going to be that easy, but we don't even know that we're going to even struggle. Just because we're looking for work as Moscow underground, guys. Look at the crowd. So people are jobless in Nigeria.
A lot of things are going on in this particular video. Like a lot of people, almost thousands of people turn up for a particular job interview, right? And this particular video is just little compared to what you see online. There are a lot of people on other job websites submitting their CVs every single day looking for job. So in this particular video, I'm going to be breaking it down and showing you how you can actually get started and build your online business even as a graduate. Whether you're a graduate or non-graduate, this strategy is going to be working for you in 2026 and beyond. Okay, so if you have a certificate, BSc, masters and all of that, you can actually package somewhere if you've not gotten a job and focus on what I'm going to be showing you right here in this particular video. So in this particular video, I'm going to be showing you online business you can actually start now as a graduate or undergraduate without even breaking your bank. Okay, as it stands now in Nigeria, it's as if you don't actually go to school, you cannot actually succeed. All right, so that's why you see a lot of people going to school, going for that particular BSc, going for the masters, graduating, coming out, celebrating and a whole lot of that. Okay, and at the end they'll end up searching for a job that is nowhere to be found. Okay, so right in this video I'm going to be breaking it down and show you how you can actually build a standard online business. It's best online business that you can actually start right now in 2026, and these businesses you can run them forever. So without further ado, let's get into the business of the day. The first one on this very list is blogging and niche websites. So for instance, this same website, if you visit it just like this, we have lots of posts going on. We have different posts on this very website, and it is called blog website. All right, and this particular type of website is what you can actually monetize. All right, for you to start your blog website, you need to actually pick a niche. Okay, for instance, most of these guys, these people right here looking for a particular job, they all studied one particular course or the other. Okay, so all those courses they've studied for like 6 years, 4 years, 5 years and lots more, they can gather them as a niche and create a blog website for themselves. All right, which means that same course you studied in school will become your niche. All right, then you start educating other people about what you already know as a graduate. Okay, instead of you wasting your time looking for a job that is nowhere to be found, you can actually start a blog website for yourself and also showcase your expertise on your blog website. Okay, while showcasing that, you can actually monetize your own expertise by displaying advertisement. Okay, you display advertisements like Ashera ads, Montag ad, Google ad, just like this one showing up right here, where you have to simply add your website from this very section. Then you start publishing whatever things you know you've already learned in your school days. All right, so all you need to do is simply get your website fully developed for you. Then you start sharing your expertise as a content, start writing them as a content. Okay, even if you don't know how to write blog content, my team have already built and developed your website. They can actually give you a prompt pack that's going to simply help you with your own niche. Okay, and that's going to simply help you a lot. Okay, so once you get your website fully developed and monetized by my team, you have to simply go ahead and start using that prompt pack. You can also monetize your website with CPU offers. You can monetize with sponsored posts, setting of your own digital product. Like you create PDF course, you can create video course of you educating people like how to do things. Okay, from this same website, there are a lot of ways you can actually monetize a single blog website. Okay, in a particular niche. So the more content you have, the more visibility you give your blog website. Okay, so that's going to simply help you to build a business, and this is the #1 business you can actually start right now with your mobile phone. So if my team have already built your website, the whole technical part has been taken care of. Okay, and all you need to do is simply get your website fully delivered to you. The second business you can actually start in 2026 as a beginner is YouTube automation. All right, YouTube automation is just an art of using AI to actually make work easier for you, not using AI entirely for everything. All right, I've already made a detailed post on how you can actually use your mobile phone to start a faceless YouTube channel for yourself. Even without adding your voice, you can actually add your phone screen. That phone screen recording makes your work 100% legit and unique. Okay, so remember, AI cannot actually generate a phone screen like phone screen recording. Like I'm making this video right now with my laptop screen, AI cannot actually do it. Okay, so this is going to simply make your work original, and you can actually use voiceover like Clipchamp, or you can use 11lab, but 11lab is paid. Clipchamp is free of charge. Okay, you can use that to run a faceless YouTube channel and build a business for yourself. Okay, you're going to be talking about what you already know. So there are people that teach about mathematics. You can create a YouTube channel and start teaching mathematics, start using your phone screen. You can buy a simple whiteboard with a marker and start solving some mathematical questions and a lot of that. Okay, so by so doing, people will be subscribing to your channel, people will be commenting and liking your videos. That thing they couldn't learn in school, they're learning it from your YouTube channel. And with that, once you hit 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hour, you're gonna get monetized by YouTube. So all you need to do is simply go ahead and watch this video. So right here, we've already made 7 days YouTube challenge. You can see this is day 1 right here, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, and day 7. All right, I took my time to make this video courses to break things down. Go ahead and watch this video. It's going to simply help you to start with your YouTube automation, okay, where you can actually monetize your YouTube channel with YouTube partner program. Once your channel meets up with the criteria they want, they're going to simply accept you, and they will start displaying advertisements on your post, and you can create a channel membership, okay, where your subscribers or viewers can actually subscribe monthly to get your premium videos. Okay, you can also set up the affiliate section of YouTube. You can set up the product section on YouTube where you can actually promote other people's product, okay, on your own YouTube channel. These are means you can actually monetize a YouTube channel even as a beginner. Okay, and all of these things doesn't require you to stand at Wuse or Moscow to apply for this monetization. You can do this from the comfort of your home with your mobile phone. All right, and also you can get partnership like sponsorship from other brands that want you to promote their products. So if you own a blog and also own a YouTube channel, these two can work together and benefit each other. That's gonna simply help you, because your blog will be sending traffic from your blog to your YouTube channel, and your YouTube will be sending traffic from your YouTube to your blog page. Okay, which means you are building a combo business that lasts forever. Okay, the third business you can actually start in 2026 is Google AdMob app monetization. Okay, so most of you don't actually know this one, and you don't actually know how this thing works. Okay, but I'm going to be breaking it down right here in this very video. Okay, so what do you do right here? All you need to do is to actually get an application fully developed for you. You don't actually have to be a developer to get started with this stuff. All right, if my team have already built and developed your website or develop your application, they can actually integrate Google AdMob into it. Okay, so if you have your Google AdMob application developed and they have the ads added there, what you need to do is to actually publish this app on any app store. It doesn't have to be Play Store, it could be Palm Store, it could be APKPO, where you can actually get a link to be able to promote and get more download. Okay, remember, the only thing you need to be able to sustain this business is users. Okay, you need people to actually use your app for you to actually get more traction to your Google AdMob. So that's why I told you guys on my Telegram and WhatsApp that you need an application that solves a specific problem. Okay, what you need to do is actually create some tutorial videos like I'm doing right now with this simple app. Remember, you're not going to be telling people this is my app, use it, please use it. You don't have to beg people. You don't even need to tell your friend that this is your app, because once you tell them, they might not be using the app again, since they know that your app is monetized and you're the one getting the benefit. Okay, what you need to do is to stay anonymous. When you stay anonymous and you build a business, people will value it more. All right, you make a video telling people how the application works, and you tell them, if you want this particular application just the way I've already done, you can actually click this link and go to the app store and download it. You've already promoted your app even without telling people that you're the owner of the app. So I've already made a detailed course for Google AdMob monetization. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7. All the things you need to start your online business are already on this very channel. Okay, go ahead and check them out, and you can actually get started with each of this stuff. Okay, that's the top business you can actually start right now and be able to sustain yourself even without looking for a job as a graduate or non-graduate. Okay, is to sell digital product. Okay, you can use Gumroad, you can use Seller, Payhip and more. Okay, and I've already made a video now you can actually sell your digital product on Gumroad. Go ahead and watch this video how you can sell it on Gumroad. They're all live on YouTube. Go ahead and watch them. Okay, so this digital product could be a video course, it could be ebook, it could be DIY frame, and you can also sell this stuff at the same time on Seller. All right, just a few days ago I made a video on how you can actually sell your digital product on Seller. Just go ahead and watch this particular video. Okay, recently I got to understand that people can actually create DIY frames and sell it out. So if you go to TikTok right now, this is my TikTok page, and you search for DIY work frame, you're gonna see people using cardboard sheet, carton and lot more to create DIY frames. Okay, so this stuff right here, people don't actually know them. Okay, most people don't actually know them, but you can actually create this stuff for yourself and sell it, place it online for people to buy. You can sell one for 5k, you can sell one for $5, $10, $20 and lots more. Okay, so you need to do simply create this product. Once you have a product you can actually sell, then people will be able to buy from you. All right, so go on TikTok and you're gonna see thousands of videos people have already made on how to do this stuff. Okay, so go ahead and check out this stuff right now and start selling them. And I've already given you 4 different job opportunities you can actually start right now in 2026 for yourself without waiting for any employer's approval or any acceptance letter from any company. Okay, and all you need to do is simply stay consistent. That is what this particular business requires from you. So which of these business are you willing to start right now? Drop it down in the comment section. I'm going to be guiding you on the right step to get started with all of this stuff. Okay, so if you don't have a website blog, go ahead and get yourself a website blog fully developed. So if you're watching this video right now and you're part of those people that my team have already built their AdMob apps, their website blog, and deliver to them, just hire me on my WhatsApp right now, because I'm going to be sending you guys the prompt pack which I promised you guys. Okay, pick 1 or 2 business from this particular list and get started with them. That's going to simply help you. It's going to simply save you the stress of hanging out there looking for job that is nowhere. Okay, see you in the next video.